audio.
Rolling. It's really good to see you here. Tell us how excited or nervous you are. The film is about to release.
We're very excited. We have 9 days left now for the 25th of August, and we've been promoting like crazy. But we're all just, I think, more than anything, very excited. Because we believe in this film so much, and we've, especially Tiger has worked so hard. Remo has worked so hard, and I mean, we're very proud of the film. So I just can't wait for 25th of August to happen.
Yeah.
ओके टाइगर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे नर्वसनेस है एक्साइटमेंट है और जिस तरह का प्रमोशन आप कर रहे हैं मुस्तकिल कहीं ना कहीं सिटीज़ में हैं कभी बाहर हैं कभी किसी ब्रांड से एसोसिएशन में कितना थकाने वाला होता है प्रमोशन की अगर हम बात करें
दोनों नर्वस और एक्साइटेड हूँ मैं हालांकि बहुत खुश हूँ मैं क्योंकि जहाँ भी हम जा रहे हैं जो रिस्पांस हम दोनों को मिल रहा है बहुत बढ़िया रिस्पांस मिल रहा है जिस तरह से द पब्लिक रिएक्ट ऑडियंसेस आर रिएक्टिंग हमारे प्रोमोस पे हमारे ट्रेलर पे तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आई थिंक फिल्म को लेकर मैं इतना नर्वस नहीं हूँ जितना मैं हीरोपंती और बागी में था
ओके जैकलिन आपसे जानना है कि जैसे आपने कहा कि बहुत ज़्यादा प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं कहीं आप किसी कुछ चोट सी लग रही है ये
Yes.
ज़्यादा डालने की वजह से या क्या
Tiger punched me. No, Tiger would not even hurt a fly, so let alone punch me. But yeah, I think हम बहुत traveling कर रहे हैं and एक दिन में 3 cities किया and I think because of pressure, problems and stuff. So one day I just woke up and the doctor told me a blood vessel burst, and that's why I have a red eye.
ओके
जी।
बच्चे ज़्यादा पसंद कर रहे हैं मैं देख रहा हूँ जिस तरह की ऑडियंस की अगर हम बात करें बच्चे बहुत अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं चाहे वो प्रोमो की बात हो चाहे वो टाइगर के ग्रुप की बात हो कहीं ना कहीं एक इंडियन सुपरमैन देख रहे हैं बच्चे और जिस तरह का बच्चों का प्यार आपको मिल रहा है कि एक ब्रांड से भी एसोसिएट हुए थे आप मानते हैं कि एक बार बच्चों को पसंद आने लगी तो फैमिलीज तो अपने आप आ जाएंगी
बिल्कुल सही बात है आई थिंक पिछले 2 मूवीज़ में काफ़ी लकी था मैं बच्चों को लेकर आई थिंक उन्हीं की वजह से मैंने दोनों पिक्चर चले बॉक्स ऑफिस में आई थिंक
Yes, true.
What's your take on that? If the kids started liking your film,
Absolutely,
they'll
they're
be coming over with their families.
Yes, I mean, more than anything, they're just such a fantastic audience to have. They're so genuine, they're so pure, and and they're such a faithful audience to have as well. So yeah, I mean, with the children, they like to take their friends with them, their families with them, and it just means that this movie is actually it's a movie for everyone. It's a family entertainer, but I feel the larger the group, the better. It's one of those films, and yes, if we can, if we have the kids on our side, then that's like half our battle won.
How was working with Jacqueline? How was the experience?
बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस आई थिंक बहुत मज़ा आया बहुत मेहनती लड़की है बहुत खुश रहती है हमेशा it's very inspiring to be around an actress who's done so many successful films and who's still willing to learn and still willing to get better every day तो बहुत कुछ सीखा इनसे and I'm very happy that I got a chance to work with Jacqueline so early on in my career
Okay, Jacqueline, आपने क्या सिखाया है?
क्या सिखाया?
आई थिंक बहुत ही मुश्किल सवाल है बहुत खुश हूँ किस्मत अच्छी है क्योंकि वी बिन गेटिंग गुड रिस्पॉन्स एवरीवेयर जहाँ भी जा रहे थे हम बहुत अच्छे से वेलकम कर रहे थे हमें और आई थिंक वी वेरी लकी आई थिंक कुल मिला के लोग बहुत खुश हैं क्योंकि Jacqueline is a very athletic girl, very hardworking, good dancer, and ऊपर से Remo sir, director, choreographer, and I'm also known a little bit for my dancing. So I think the 3 of us coming together.
Little bit.
I think people are very happy.
Yeah, I think a lot of people were excited in the beginning when they heard that Remo was pairing us together because Tiger, who's a phenomenal dancer, and I try, but I think people were excited to kind of just see, I think, yeah, our combination, and it was a very different. I mean, a lot of people actually said it was quite unusual as well, but I think like it was such amazing casting, especially I mean just making Tiger the flying jet. You know, he really looks the part. He is the part. He can fly actually in real life. He doesn't even need harness. So yeah, it's fantastic casting, and then Nathan Jones is there.
बहुत कम करती बिकॉज उनकी स्टार क्या कहना चाहेंगे एज एन एक्टर क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट
Ekta Kapoor.
आई थिंक पिक्चर को लेकर बहुत खुश है. आई थिंक बहुत इस मूवी को लेकर बहुत प्रोटेक्टिव भी है, और आई थिंक इसलिए हम इतना सारा प्रमोशन भी कर रहे हैं इस मूवी को लेकर. एंड आई होप दिस मूवी बिकम्स वन ऑफ Balaji's biggest hits.
Me
So
too.
Jackie has had like a couple of hits this year, and plus Jhalak Mein Raja Saabne. So would you say that 2016 is going to be lucky for you?
It's
And it has been so far the luckiest year in your career?
it's been, I mean, an amazing year. You know, for the past, you know, people usually see the results as they happen. They have no idea what's actually happened and what has been happening in order to get there. Oh, sorry. And you know, for the past, I would say, year and a half, this is all I've pretty much been doing. I've just been working on these 3 films. I've been, you know, training and doing all this stuff. And you know, finally, this year has been, you know, like my reward in a way, because you know, 2 of my films have done well, and now fingers crossed as well. Flying Jet is coming, and it's looking so promising. And I mean, like, we're just, all you really want is for your film to do well, you know, and you know, that's what you work towards. So yeah, I mean, there's been a lot on my plate, but I've really been enjoying it. I've never, you know, been so satisfied with my work.
Okay, Tiger, what you have learned, you know, from the very first film of yours, you are the star, the very first film of yours. Now, then Baghi, it's another blockbuster and commercially hit. इस पूरी सक्सेस से क्या सीखा आपने? What you have learned through this success which you got in the industry?
वही करा जो मैं करता था सर. एक मज़दूर की तरह मेहनत कर रहा हूँ मैं, और उसी पे विश्वास करता हूँ. थोड़ा बहुत किस्मत भी तो है, और माँ बाप के बारे में ज़्यादा सोचता हूँ. घर लेना चाहता हूँ उनके लिए, और बस आई कीप देम इन माई माइंड. इट वाज दे आर माई मोटिवेशन.
ओके, इन कमर्शियल फिल्मों के अलावा अगर कुछ आपको ऑफबिट करने के लिए मिले, यू नो, इन टर्म्स ऑफ फिल्म्स वगैरह में, काम जो आप करें, अलग तरह के सिनेमा करने का मौका मिले, जहाँ एक्टिंग का स्कोप ज़्यादा हो,
बिल्कुल
बशर्ते तो करना चाहेंगे अनुराग के साथ काम करना, या यू नो, जो अलग तरह का सिनेमा बनाते हैं,
बिल्कुल
या
बिल्कुल ज़रूर बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा उनसे. फ़िलहाल मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. जो भी मैं कर रहा हूँ, जो भी काम मिल रहा है मुझे, बहुत ही थैंकफुल हूँ उसके लिए, और ज़रूर करना चाहूँ, कुछ अलग ज़रूर दिखाना चाहूँगा फ्यूचर में. आई थिंक फ्लाइंग जेट को लेकर
लेट हिम कंप्लीट, यार, लेट हिम कंप्लीट.
नहीं क्या करता है.
Please say something like that.
How's the experience with Tiger on the?
Want to complete what you were saying? What were you saying about Flying Jet?
भूल गया भैया.
How was it dancing with Tiger Shroff and Beat Booty? It was like every other song, you know, of working with him. It was extremely nerve-wracking because on one hand you have Remo D'Souza, who is this like master of dance, and then you have Tiger Shroff, who is like, I mean, the guru as well. Actually, I wanted to switch it. Okay, hold on, let me start again. Remo D'Souza, who is the guru of dance, and then Tiger Shroff, who is the master of dance. And so, like, it was there was a lot of pressure. Honestly, there's a lot of pressure on me, and this was the last song that we were shooting, and so we really wanted to make it, like, you know, the best, like we want for all of our songs, but this one being the actual dance number out of all of them. So yeah, we really went for it. We went for rehearsals, and you know, I was lucky enough, I caught Tiger at rehearsals, and you know, he doesn't really need to rehearse, and we rehearsed a lot, and then finally we shot it, and it was a very different experience because it was a very different kind of setup that, you know, Remo had given us and for a dance song, but it looked so cool. So hats off to Remo's amazing creativity.
Confirm that you're going to star in Studio of the Year too. How excited are you about that?
I'm very excited.
Karan Johar movie.
I mean, what more can I ask for?
And I think it'll be slightly different from what you're doing right now, like a typical action hero.
Flying Jet is very different from what I did in the past. Student of the Year again will be something very different. So yes, I'm looking forward to Student of the Year. I'm very thankful that Karan sir thinks I'm worthy of taking his franchise forward. And yeah, very happy.
प्रमोशन के बाद भी इतने सारे प्रमोशन के हर जगह आपको अच्छे अच्छे वर्कर मिला तो डू थिंक लाइक टाइडल या प्रेजेंट होता है कभी इतनी प्रमोशन बिकॉज जब भागी आ रहा हूँ लोगों के बाद इतने सारे प्रमोशन नहीं होते तो इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा है
आई थिंक क्योंकि इसमें बहुत स्कोप है प्रमोशंस के लिए और बहुत कुछ करने को है बच्चों के लिए बड़े लोग के लिए आई थिंक फॉर यूथ इन जनरल वी हैव लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू डू लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ हाँ टायर्ड हूँ पर आखिर फिल्म के लिए कर रहे हैं इतना सब और मेहनत तो सब कर रहे हैं
Give us one word for each of your team members.
One word for each of my team members.
Exactly the same.
Oh, I'm so bad at rapid fire, by the way.
Remo sir, mastermind. Jacqueline, all-rounder. Who else? Nathan Jones, gentle giant. All gone. Amrita Singh, Amrita ji. One word is difficult for this lady, but anything that comes to your head?
Amrita Singh is
Is somebody who's tiger scared of?
she's just so alive and like so I think funny and like she's strong.
So many words to describe the lady.
Yeah.
Talented, live wire, outrageous, hilarious.
Yeah. Unapologetic. In a good way. My turn.
Okay, thank you.
Oh. My rapid fire is gonna take forever though. Okay, Tiger. Perfect. I'll say it. I'll say it. No, perfect. Remo, genius. Nathan Jones, honest. And Amrita Singh. What? Give me something. Amazing.
I have one question for both of you. Kissing scenes, as we all know, is a common thing in Bollywood movies. But still, these days we see it is used as a promotional tool. Like with Befikre, they are getting on posters which have kissing scenes. So, do you really think that is it becoming a promotional tool, or are we still okay with seeing like actors and actresses kiss online in the movie?
I don't know. I haven't thought about that. I really haven't thought about that. For us, we're just following instructions, and
And that too instructions that weren't even given to us.
Right, that there was a movement like we were not supposed to do this, but it just happened. So
That's because our director didn't call cut. So we didn't have a choice. But we didn't complain. We're very good.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
last question. अगर माइकल जैक्सन की फिल्म बने और आपको ऑफर होती है आप करेंगे माइकल जैक्सन
The biopic on Michael Jackson. Do you be interested to do?
माइकल जैक्सन को लेकर मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ अभी सर मुन्ना माइकल करके एक पिक्चर है थैंक यू
Next time.